In this episode of
Just Wingin' It.
Well, it's a beautiful day.
It is. You're broken. I'm a veterinarian now.
No, this blob is great. It's perfect. Let's get in. Let's tuck in. It's time to tuck in.
What's your guesses on the heaviest out of the three? The middle bird's definitely the heaviest.
I have to go ask Dad a question. How embarrassing. Hey, Dad. Dad?
I love having them land on my lap.
My name is Caleb. You know my friends, Hazen, Colton, and Joey, and we're just winging it.
Hey, Chase, you know which bird has the fastest wing flapping? Ability? On snow cranes. Be there.
Did you get that on film?
Wow.
Keep us secure. What do you guys think? No, this blob is great. It's perfect. Let's get in. Let's tuck in. It's time to tuck in. Eagle's almost here. You can hear them moving. Let's tuck in. Pro tip. When your hands are cold, put on some gloves. Oh, that feels better.
None of you guys seen the message I posted about the radio station?
Yeah, I
Was tuned in time or no?
we did not. Caleb
Oh.
doesn't know how to turn the radio.
The song that was playing was "You're Simply the Best." And I dedicate that one to all the crew here. And I was like, oh, they didn't make it in time. We were listening to 90s EDM. I phoned that radio station 3 days ago for that. All up, and you guys didn't even tune in. I have a rule. 5 hours of work for that, you know? I have a rule in my truck that I need music to pump me up in the morning, and this morning it was 90s EDM.
That did no pumping for me.
It did so much pumping for
It
me.
was like, this sucks. I can't wait for our first snow goose hunt, because then we can set up the X again. Because this set these full body decoys. I'm sure they might work amazing, but it's so boring. You can't put the X down. And when you're not living in fear of Dad getting mad, it kind of takes away like half the fun of the hunt. Shh, don't tell anyone though. Nobody's talking to me. Sad. But I should be used to it by now. I wish Joey was here.
You're broken. I'm a veterinarian now. That one has a classic case of broken wings, and it cannot fly. This guy got serious damage.
Got internal damage.
Oh, he's bent. jankety. He got all jinkety janked on the last hunt.
I blame Kyle.
Yeah, Kyle. Cousin's not really good for him.
Absolutely. I have to go ask Dad a question. How embarrassing. Hey, Dad. Dad? I love it. You answered properly. We're putting our blinds in that little part of the hook.
Yeah, we're gonna probably be right in here. I'm gonna start spacing the blinds out. Yeah, I'm starting to throw like handfuls of the silhouettes. Just leave them for now. We'll position the blinds and we'll use them to kind of hide us and break our outline out.
Awesome.
Up.
Dad has all the answers. Thanks, Dad. Simply the best. This is like beautiful. It's like nice and open.
This segment is brought to you in part by Worthmore Trailers. Located in Camrose, Alberta, Worthmore Trailers specializes in selling some of Canada's toughest trailers. For all your trailer needs, visit Worthmore Trailers.
They're just spinning,
They are.
working their appetites away.
Like I got 3 fields for tomorrow. Like I said, that one snow feed, as long as they show up, like it's gonna suck because like he said the club route's really bad in the area. So like I understand the farmer didn't want it spreading. That's no problem. Walk the gear out. It's not that far of a walk. You'd be like half the distance to our trucks right now. Take 'em. Did we get the one? Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. I started leading those birds, and that's what I kind of messed up on.
I don't know what the heck happened. I think I was more confused by the sounds of the shotguns, because with these this time it sounded like those cork guns at Cabela's. It was like, I was like, I don't remember it sounding like this from last time. Because it had the sound on this time,
Oh yeah.
so it was like. It was.
I didn't even bother popping out because I was like, yeah, all 3 of them popped out. Those birds are super close.
Yeah, that was bad.
I should have called the shot a little earlier when they were still out, but it's fun getting them really close like that.
I love having them land on my lap. Coming in for a snuggle.
Keep your head down, Wolf. Shoot him! see them? Came over. I didn't see. I had my head too low. Shoot him!
Oh man.
I shot that one. Did you shoot that one too?
Nope.
When you were doing it, like calling before,
Yeah.
it sounded like you were just making noise with your own voice. It's like,
Definitely Hunter straight behind us.
yeah, yeah. I thought you were just going,
I think you got it, man.
got what?
That last one that fell way on the right was Joey. He shot all the way
I
across.
shot that one.
Oh, I don't know who shot it. It wasn't me, I
Did we
know
shoot
that.
the same bird again, Joe?
Oh, it's on the right side. Shoot him! Only got one.
Did you shoot that one too?
Oh no. I said we got one.
Joseph, you didn't shoot that one.
I did!
No way.
You guys are twinsies! You guys are shooting patooties! I don't know why they're setting up in a weird way coming like right over from behind on that right. I don't like that.